Well, hi there, folks, and welcome to another Workspace Wednesday right here with Lean Strategies International LLC, where this week we're going to be answering a question. If there's one place where you can go to see every single function inside of Google Sheets, so stay tuned. Okay, let's jump right in. So behind us, we have our Google Sheet, and the question is, where can I go to find all the functions inside of Google Sheets? So you don't have to dig into apps, you don't have to dig into scripts, formulas, or anything like that. We just go up here to the top in our Help section, and we're going to go down to Function List in our Help drop-down. Once you click on that, it'll open a new window. And you can see here in Google Docs Editor Help that all of the functions are listed below. It even tells you the type, the name, and the syntax. If you want more details on a specific one, you can just click on the Learn More right here, and then we can jump back over to it and see every single function in Google Sheets. So that's it. That's where the list is for all of the functions inside of Google Sheets. I hope this helps you, and we'll see you back here on Lean Strategies International LLC.